What's up, guys and girls? This is Jaffry Ward, and in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $100 in free PayPal money. This is going to be very simple, and if you've been looking to make money online, if you've been looking for a way to learn how to make money online, then this is the exact video that you need to be on right now, because I'm going to be breaking down some key things that you can do, and I'm also going to give you a bonus tip that can actually explode your income with these particular sites that I'm talking about. Everything that I talk about will be in the description below, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, because I'm the only person that's really out here giving you real information and real ways to make money online. A lot of my students have made money online, and if you're one of my students, if you made money by me teaching you the stuff that I'm going to be teaching you today, actually comment in the comment section. Just let everybody know who they're dealing with, who they're listening to. This is not somebody that's haven't made money online. I made thousands of dollars online. I've been in the trenches. I started with surveys. I did print on demand. I've done basically affiliate marketing, anything you can ask for, and I build the income, a sustainable full-time income, 2.5 years strong. I've been doing this since I was 12 years old. So you're not just listening to somebody that doesn't know what they're talking about. I actually do know what I'm talking about, and I'm actually going to help you make a whole lot of money. That's my goal. That's what this channel is for. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification. Also, if you're new, comment your income goals. I want to hear what you guys want to make online, so I can better curate my content to suit you a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get started. So there's two sites that you're going to want to do. Now these are get paid to sites, and why I suggest you start off with this, and why I suggest you make a good $100 in PayPal money with this, is because you will actually learn the ins and outs of the sites. And what we're going to be doing at the end of the video is teaching you how to combine what you've learned, teach people how to do the same thing, and actually enter your referral and affiliate link in your particular videos that you do on YouTube talking about these particular sites, and they will actually go through you, and you will actually be earning referral commissions on top of what you're doing on the site. So this is the easiest way to get started. So you want to get a general overview of how this thing works, because once you get a general idea of what your audience wants and what your audience is looking for, you can actually do bigger affiliate commission items. So you can do something like teach people how to build blogs and actually earn money on the affiliate side of the hosting and stuff like that. But you have to get that initial audience and show that your audience that you actually know what you're doing as far as making money online. So that's why it's good to start with these little small sites, get people blood flowing, actually show them how they can make a little $5 here, a little $10 here, and then you go to the bigger items. Because if you just start off with the big items and say, hey, here's my affiliate link, go buy through me, they're not going to buy through you, because you haven't taught them anything. You haven't taught them how to make money online. So although you might think, hey, this is small, you want to start small. You want to teach people how to make money on this, because if you can teach people how to make money on this, you can teach people how to make money in anything, and you can build your audience a little bit quicker and actually go viral doing this type of stuff. So very, very important that you just don't look over these sites and say, oh, this is another get paid to sites, why waste your time? No, you definitely want to actually pay attention. So my point is for the US only, and YSense, which was previously ClickSense, is a platform that they just switched their platform. So it wasn't like this before. They switched their platforms to the MyPoints platform. Only YSense is available worldwide. MyPoints is only available in the US, UK, and Canada. If I'm wrong about that, somebody correct me in the comments. But these are, YSense is pretty much global, and you basically get paid to do the same thing. So how do you make money on YSense? Very, very quickly. So you want to make at least $5 before you start teaching people how to make $5. So what people think is they have to make $100 before they can actually teach people how to make money online. My first YouTube video long time ago was me teaching people how to make $5 just by getting a 99 subscription box. I think it was to graze.com. It's like a little taste testing snack thingy. But I basically told them, hey, you go into this app, you do this offer for 99 cents, you will earn this amount of points, which you can then redeem those points into free PayPal, $5 in free PayPal cash. And a lot of people did that, but they went through my link and they actually used my referral code, and I actually earned points by them going through my referral code and my referral link. And I earned a lot of money doing that, because they, as long as that offer was up, they was making $5 by spending 99 cents. I showed them how to make money online, and this is what I'm talking about. This very simple YSense sites and these MyPoint sites that people just look over when it comes to making money online. You want to earn money and then flip that, teach people how to do the same thing, and then they go through your link, and you'll be earning money per referral, and you can actually kind of coast and actually let those referral points and referral cash, build up and actually make a big significant amount of income online. Trust me, I've made thousands of dollars doing this. I actually know what I'm talking about when it comes to this. Okay, so you want to come here, and like I said, they're on the same platform. So if you're in the US, My Points. If you're in YCents, is international. So any international company, Mexico, Africa, all of those countries like that, YCents is there for you, and you can do surveys, deals, and coupons. We're getting ready to go through all of that in a minute. But like I said, you only want to make $5 in here, or you want to make at least 20, or to get your first free PayPal cash gift card from this site, you have to make $25. So it starts at 25. So if I just hit this one, you can go down here, you see that PayPal starts at 25 for both of these sites. So you want to make $25 in points on My Points, and then $25 in just regular cash. They don't go by points, they just go by cash. They tell you exactly what you're going to get paid for doing these offers, and then you'll have that in your redeemable cash, and you'll be able to go ahead and redeem your free PayPal money for international users. But for My Points users, you will have to get 3,700 and something points in order to redeem a $25 PayPal gift card. You see, I already have 3,000 in here, and I only have maybe three active referrals. So it's been a while since I've done a My Points video, so most of this stuff is just by me being connected to here. I still get the coupons from over here, and I still do surveys and videos and stuff like that. So I still actually does what the site tells me to do in order to make money. So I got to 3,000 points really quickly, but I only have 3 active referrals. It's not even a big thing for me. So you want to keep that in mind. You're probably going to have way more active referrals than me. Okay, so you're going to get a referral link with each of these, and what you want, like I said, what you want to do is you want to screen record yourself doing these surveys, offers, and tasks, and earning money. So there's some taxes in here. As you can see, what country people are making a whole lot of money with by doing these taxes and things of that nature. So this is going to be better for international people, because you don't see a whole lot of US people on here. But you can see a whole lot of international people earning a whole lot of money doing taxes and things of that nature. So if you're international, you can do that. You can make a whole lot of money very quickly. You can also do surveys, and you can also refer people. Like right here, you can actually sign people up, and when they go through your link, you get 10 cents per referral, 30 cents for selected countries, and once they earn $5, you get a $2 bonus. So if you want to earn a whole lot of $2 bonuses, you want to make sure that the people that you refer get to $5 very quickly, and that's the point where you're going to want to see what's in here that you can get to $5 very quickly. Actually do a YouTube video, actually include your referral link, and say, hey, do the same thing that I just did and earn that $5, and you're going to get a whole lot of $2 bonuses once they do that. Okay, it's simple. This is very simple. You want to go in here, you want to do exactly what the site tells you to do: survey, offers, and tasks. Get to $5, and then you go and do a video and say, hey, this is how you get the $5. Once they do the same thing you did, you get the $2 bonus. Just like if you were referring people to any other app, you do the same thing that I did, you will get paid the same amount of money. So people want to know that they actually can do what you're talking about, that is actually practical, and that it actually can make them some money, even if it's a small bit of money online. So that's how you actually duplicate your success and make your videos that you put out on these particular sites work for you, get referrals for you, show people how to make money online for you. Okay, so this is very simple. As well, like I said, once you get to make $25 in here, you can do a $25 PayPal payout, and you can say, hey, look, I got this $25 by doing this, and this on YCents. Put out a video, do a video, put it on YouTube, do a video around make money online, research your hashtags, look at YouTube SEO videos, and then they go out there, and then they see you do these things, and they go through your referral link. You actually get paid per referral that they when they go through your link. So if 1,000 people see your video and 100 people say, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, that's money in your pocket, because you actually referred them to YCents. So you actually be making money, and you actually include your link in the description below, like other big YouTubers do as well. Okay, so you can start off small. You're gonna have to work yourself into YouTube. You're gonna actually have to do videos per day to see what works, see what gets a whole lot of views. But once you get that, you will actually be able to earn a whole lot of money. So with My Points, you want to do the same thing. You get your referral link. Your referral link is somewhere in here, refer and earn, and you just want to look over the details, and it says you each earn when your friend spends $20 or more. So this is for the shopping side, so you will want to say, hey, you get 750 points once they spend over $20 shopping through here. So you actually might want to target shoppers for this. You get a 10% bonus on everything your friends earn. So the bonus doesn't come out of their particular points. So they're, you know, when they earn points, you're not getting 10% of their points. You're just getting, they're going to keep all their points, but since you referred them, you can actually see I actually went up while I was talking. So I was at 3,066 points, and I actually went up to 74 points now. But you can see what I'm talking about. You can actually earn a bonus once they start making money on the site. So that's a way that you can actually make some more money. This particular will get you your first 100. If this particular method that I'm teaching you right now will get you your first $100 online. So just by doing this stuff, doing these hours and tasks, and building up that income portfolio, you know, for the first time, doing the video, showing people exactly how to do the same thing, and then giving them your referral link and getting referrals combined with doing the things on the site will actually help you make your first $100 online. But this is not like a long-term plan. This is not going to help you make thousands and thousands of dollars online like I'm earning right now. To do that, you want to go to something like Waldo, Dash, and actually sign up. You know, sign up with your card. And you know, Waldo is a cashback app, Dash is a cashback app, these are all saving apps right here. This is a cashback app. This is another cashback app. But you will want to go to one of these sites where they're going to pay you a lot more per referral. So Waldo is paying you $10 per referral, but you actually have to sign up and you actually have to be qualified in order to earn that money. And I'll just show you some proof. You know, this is Dash paying me, and this is Waldo paying me 75. You can go up here, you see 85. Go up here and see 70 right here. You can go up here and see 60, another 60. So I'm constantly getting free PayPal money, you know, thousands of dollars a month actually doing this. And these are the two recent payments, 105.90 right there. They're actually, and then it was another $60 payment right there. But these are what's going to earn you the big money, because they are, you know, paying you $10 per referral. They're paying you, you know, $5 per referral. It was $15 per referral. They just cut it back down to $5 per referral. This is paying you $10 per referral. This is paying you $5 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 per referral. This is paying you $2 per referral. So, and this one down here is paying you actually $20 per referral on a 12-month subscription. Okay, so all of these actually will make you a lot more money than my points, but you want to get started with these because these are going to be more practical for people. Once you build up a good YouTube profile and a whole lot of more subscribers, you can then present this to them and teach them exactly how to do the same thing. So same rules apply. Make money in Waldo. Show people how you make money in Waldo. Give them your referral link to go to Waldo. They go through you because they trust you. They know that you've made money. Same thing with Dodge. Same thing with these other sites. Make money in the website or the app first. Then give them your referral link, put it out on YouTube, say, hey, this is how I made money, include your referral link, and then when they go through your referral link, you'll earn money. It's basically influence and marketing. I know I went through a whole lot of dialogue telling you about this, but I want you guys to understand this on the small scale and then go to these big scale things as well. So really simple, influence and marketing. You learn how to make money online. You teach people how to make money online. Just for you teaching them how to make money online, the video was free for them to learn. But you know, as a way for them to repay you, they go through your referral links. You earn money. If they do what you tell them to do to earn money and they earn money, everybody's happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how you can make a whole lot of free PayPal cash right now. Actually put this to work. This is the easiest way to make money online. This is probably one of the best free PayPal money videos that you're going to see online, because I'm actually teaching you a long-term sustainable income stream that you can build with these sites and apps. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Go ahead and start making money online, and I'll see you guys on the next video, and peace out.